Systems dependence is a sign of lack of trust or that you don't have A players. So I'm going to explain the different types of systems. So what I'm talking about is transactional systems. I'm not talking about vision-based systems and goal-setting systems. If you have to micromanage, like step 1, step 1.1, step 1.12, if you have this fictional thing in your head where it's like, I'm going to build out the systems of my firm, and that means I'm going to have automated, systemized processes for every single piece of my law firm, and that's what systems is, I'm telling you that that will be perceived unconsciously or consciously by your team members as a sign of lack of trust. Has anyone ever been in a huge 100,000 plus employee company, like a big insurance company? All of you have been involved in the rental car companies, airports. Can anyone say that they can remember a very large employee company that had an amazing, outstanding culture? Yes, a few will come to your mind, but not many. The vast majority of large companies trade systems for culture. So what I'm here to tell you is that if you have to keep instructing someone to follow a detailed process, it could be a sign that A, you didn't communicate the vision clearly, B, is they don't know what they're responsible for, or C, which is the worst one, they're just not an A player. When people get hired at Google, they have a saying, we don't hire people to tell them what to do. We hire people to tell us what to do. Context, not control. As a level 5 leader, you shouldn't have to control people. You should be great at setting context, and then they can control themselves within that context. Here's the context. Here's the sandbox. Think about it like this. The NFL commissioner or the general manager of a team, right? Someone set the context of here's how you win the game of football. You are that for your law firm. You're setting the context for this is our vision. This is what matters to us. Here's who we serve. Here's why we do it. And here's what goals we're going to use to measure ourselves to get there. Now, you guys go figure it out based on your responsibility, right? You should feel a little uncomfortable. It's scary. It's a scary feeling to say, here's the goal. Let's figure it out. At the end of the day, Cameron always tells me this, my coach, right? He always says, it's always on you if people aren't clear. It is no matter what, you can get mad at anyone you want, but you can't get mad at anyone for lack of clarity, except for yourself, because that is the ultimate context. If everyone else is clear on where they're going, that's context. The solution to that is start trusting in others more from the outset, right? The solution to that is either A, hire more A players, or B, create higher standards for your current team to step into being an A player.